Use the whisper method for a specific person. This is the advanced method, and watch and see what happens. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, want to remind you that Manifest Your Perfect Destiny, it is sold out completely. We have no room. So what we've done is we've put it on live stream for a limited number of people, for literally a handful of people. If you want to be a part of this select group to join us on the 11th, 11/11, 11/12, and 11/13 for this live stream event, manifestyourperfectdestiny.com. Simply go there, sign up, but you better do it fast because this is going to fill up extremely fast. High flyers, the truth of the matter is that you and I have the ability to communicate with anyone. Look at, we live in a quantum universe. We live beyond time. We live beyond space. We are not limited to the 3D if you use the potentiality of your mind. I'm going to teach you how to use the advanced method, the advanced whispering method, and I think you're going to be very, very well pleased. Your mind can communicate with another person, with your specific person, or anyone else for that matter, by simply tuning into their frequency. And I'll show you how to do that. Deeper dimensions of the mind are awakened through words, images, and feelings. The great mystic and founder of the Golden Dawn Ancient Mystery School, S.L. McGregor Mathers, says, by names and images are all powers awakened and reawakened. By using names, images, and adding the power of feelings to it, you will connect with your specific person. You will have the ability to send them a message, and they'll have the ability to respond. Using this method, you will be connecting with another person and taking a massive quantum leap from the physical to the non-physical dimension. You are not communicating in the physical world. You are not communicating in the 3D world, high flyers. You are communicating in the quantum, or what I like to call the infinite field of unlimited potential. The real question people ask me all the time is, Robert, is it possible to really communicate with someone else using the advanced whispering method? The answer is an absolute yes. You can use this method for a specific person. You can use this method to communicate with your ex. You can use this method to communicate with a friend or even a business partner. Use this method to communicate with anyone that you have a shared or common purpose with. Using this system, you must move beyond thought, beyond words alone, and you must communicate through words that are empowered by feelings. All changes take place in consciousness. The future, although prepared in every detail in advance, has several outcomes. Neville Goddard. I absolutely love that sentence from Neville Goddard. Although the future is prepared, it has several outcomes. What you're doing is simply tipping the future in the direction that you would like to see it go. Okay, here we go, high flyers. The advanced whispering method. Use it, follow the instructions, and share the results down below. I'm excited to share in your success. Number one, decide what outcome you desire. It's absolutely essential that you have a crystal clear picture of the outcome. Don't Don't go there with a whole bunch of messages and feelings and talking and rambling. Have a clear idea of the outcome you want to see happen. In other methods, I have you lie down, even holding or hugging a pillow. In this method, I want you sitting up and I want you breathing deep for about 10 minutes in through the nose and out through the mouth slowly. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Relax and allow your mind to go into a deeper state of consciousness. Make certain that your phone and all your electronics are turned off and that you will not be disturbed for at least the next 20 minutes. Number 3, see in your mind's eye the person that you want to deliver the message to. See them going about their daily activity. Maybe they're bowling. Maybe they're playing golf. Maybe they're making lunch. Maybe they're making their bed. Maybe they're at work doing work. Whatever you visualize, that's what you want to focus on. It's not important that it's accurate, high flyers. Remember, by names and images. So this is an image that your mind can tap into. Now, as a little side note, while I am watching them go about their daily life, I am also rubbing my third eye. You don't have to do this. Some people say it kind of distracts them. But for me, it just takes me deeper and connects me on a much stronger level. Next, you have a vision of what they're doing. They're making lunch, they're at work, they're golfing, they're driving their car. Now, just go up close to them and whisper to them. Whisper a clear, concise message. You know you want to call Robert. Why not call him today? You know your fear of a deep, committed, loving relationship is unfounded and really unnecessary. You have so much fun when you're hanging out with Robert, when you're spending time with him. Don't you think you should do more of it? Of course, I used my name. You'll use your own name. Don't use mine, please. But you'll use your own. But here's one last one for you. And of course, you're going to want to put a thumbs up on Robert's video. Now, high flyers, number 5 is simple. A lot of people will get results like that. I mean, it's just instantaneous. Others will have to do this every day for a while. Either way, you're going to get the results that you deserve and the results you desire. Stay with it, be persistent, and here's some other videos to help you on your journey.